Hi there, just weighing in on my ideas from Cosmic Journey. I think after watching this, it has confirmed some of my own thoughts about the fact that I just don't know that we have the capabilities right now, um, technologically speaking, to find other worlds. I mean, with billions of stars and the possibility of many other solar systems out there, and we so far have only made it to land on the moon. We can't get to anywhere else without losing human life along the way. That by the time we would make it to some of these places, the people on the space shuttles that were heading there would have passed away because we couldn't make it there during their lifetime. So until we can increase our capabilities to travel through space farther and faster so that humans can explore these places and get back within a reasonable amount of time, I don't see that it's very possible. But I do think that it's possible that there is other life out there. I think it's crazy to think that we're the only ones out there with billions and billions of stars around us and planets, and that there would be nothing else close enough to a heat source like our sun to produce life. Um, but I do think that it's interesting that um, it's an interesting idea to think of. I guess my other thought is the fact that we have oceans that we've not explored the very bottom of yet. We can't even get to the very bottom of our own oceans. Um, I think some of our exploration should be spent finishing up some of the things on Earth before we get too worried about going further into space when right now the money just isn't there to advance the technology. I also think that if we work together with some of these other countries rather than working against each other to see who could get there first, rather than working together to see if we could all make it there sooner, would be the best option.